Hi friends, welcome to another video. This is going to be like a quick little vlog. I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along with me. I just got off of work and I don't know if you guys watched my grocery haul that I posted the other day. If you haven't, definitely watch it. But I did mention that my mom is injured and she can no longer work, at least for this year. This year's almost over, but you know what I mean. She just can't work for a while at least. She is 75 years old and she got hurt by falling at her house. Luckily, two of my brothers were there when it happened. They were able to pick her up, but she did get 2 hairline fractures in her pelvic bone. So she's in a massive amount of pain, and I feel horrible of her physical pain, but I'm more concerned about her mental and emotional pain because it did hit her ego pretty hard. She feels like she failed her job. She feels like she just totally screwed up, and she feels really low about herself, and that is what hurts me the most, is the fact that she feels so low about herself, because I know I know she's an awesome human being, and I know that she is worth a lot more than she thinks she is. So on that note, I am going to go home, make her favorite food and bring it to her. I'm making chicken noodle casserole. That's her absolute favorite meal. I'm gonna make her some of that and bring that over there. And also I just cooked ham the other day, and I'm gonna bring some cut up pieces of ham for her and her husband as well. Her husband doesn't like tuna noodle casserole, so I'm like, well, I'll bring something that he can have. He likes ham, I hope. so I'm bringing that over. And I got her favorite donuts, which is like the Franz powder donuts with raspberry filling inside. So I'm bringing that to her as well. Something she does not know is I just purchased a I've been saying gift card all day. So I purchased a Get Well card, and I put it in the break room at work, and because she worked with me. And I just put a sign saying, hey you guys, please sign this Get Well card for her. And yeah, so I'll be surprising her in a few days, or in a couple days, with that, after I get some signatures or notes in there, just to help build her self-esteem up, make her feel good and special, because obviously she really needs it right now. So I'm doing that for her as well, but she doesn't get that for another couple days. So yeah, anyways, let's get on with this vlog. I am going to take you home with me, and we're going to go make her meal and probably tidy up a bit. I'll bring you guys along with that, because I know I haven't done a cleaning video in a while, so I might as well just throw in a little bit of a cleaning video in here for you guys as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, you guys, so seriously, say hi. Hi. This is what my kitchen's looking like right now. Oh, there's my new microwave, by the way. I just put my Starbucks drink in there to reheat it, but Toby. Hi, bud. Hello. 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 Alright, so let's clean this.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde.
All right, you guys, so it is the next day. I ended up having a really bad sinus migraine. Like, it was like a sinus infection basically yesterday. So it just hit me out of nowhere. I mean, I was feeling it coming on, but it hit me really hard out of nowhere. So this is the next day. Sorry about the lighting, it's really dark in here. And I'm about to make the casserole for her, and we're gonna take it over to her. So let's get to it.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you love, you love, you love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you love, you love, you love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you love, you love, you love.
I have my issues, problems with trust. You were the problem, to you I was dust. I could smell trouble from miles away, but now I'm different, yeah, I'm okay. You had your yours, but the one you needed was someone else. I sat there waiting for you to change. Then I realized you're not the one for me. I wanted space, you wanted trouble. You hurt me once, the pain was double. Though you were more than just a hit and run, I should have known that you were not the one. You broke my heart to a million pieces. I've dried my tears, but I want you to know I'm not the one that you thought you needed. I faced my fears and you're not the one. I still remember those things you did. Yeah, they still linger, still hurt a bit. Might hurt forever, yeah, that's what they say. But I know I'll never will face that day. I wanted space, you wanted trouble. You hurt me once, the pain was double. Though you were more than just a hit and run, I should have known that you were not the one. You broke my heart to a million pieces. I've dried my tears, but I want you to know I'm not the one that you thought you needed. I faced my fears and you're not the one.
So we are now at my mom's house. I got, oh, my freckles are really showing up right now. They don't always show up as much as they really are. Yep, more than usual on this, at least. They show it crazy. Not on this, but I got this white card is a card of like a gratitude card for my mom from a customer. And then this in the blue envelope is the card that everyone signed at work. So I'm excited to bring that to her. He is really hyper right now. So she wanted him to come, so I'm bringing him with us. And yeah. And some other goodies. All right, you guys, so I just brought it to her, and then I went to the grocery store for her because she obviously can't really move around too much. So I went to the grocery store and I got her some groceries and brought it back to her.
And some farts.
Anyways, so now I am back home and
Party.
all right, so now I'm back home and I'm just going to try to I don't know, eat something and tidy up the living room a little bit because it's really messy. So my daughter's looking at me weird through the window. Okay, that was creepy. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I just thought, I haven't made one for so long. I was like, switch things up a little bit and hopefully make it fun or just something for you to watch if you're bored. If you guys are new, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and give me a like because I'd also appreciate that too. And yeah, I will see you guys again in my next video. I have a lot more videos coming up. I am so excited. And yeah, I will see you guys again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.